So I want to encourage you with this song before I go back again to Malaysia. So the song that entitled So You Would Come. Kini nga kanta, naging diri nga gibuhat na tanan sa Ginoo. Nagpakamatay na siya just for you and me. Gibuhat na niya tanan, so wala na tayo kailangan buhaton. Hindi na kailangan magpamaymay. Kaya gusto ko magpamaymay. Trapura ginatubangan sa Ginoo. All we have to do is to come before the Lord. Broken heart, broken lives, yan ang tawaton. Amen? Di nga kailangan na badato ka o sa kamo ato sa Ginoo. Amen? You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be the best. You just have to come as you are before the Lord. Amen. So as we worship God with this song, I want to encourage you. You can make a prayer. If there were moments in your life na nipalayo ka sa Ginoo, kaya na-discourage ka sa imong katapad, now is the time na, Lord, I wanna come again to you. With all that I am, with a broken heart that I have, with a broken life that I have, I wanna come before you and worship you. Amen? Let us worship the Lord. Before the world began, you were on His mind, and every tear you've cried is precious in His sight. Because of His great love, He gave His only Son. Everything was done so you would come. There's nothing you can do that can make Him love you more, and nothing that you've done can make Him close the door. Because of His great love, He gave His only Son. Everything was done so you would come. Come to the Father, though your gift is small. Broken hearts, broken lives, He will take them all. The power of the Word, the power of His blood, everything was done so you would come. Let's sing again. There's nothing you can do that can make Him love you more, and nothing that you've done can make Him close the door. Because of His great love, He gave His only Son. Everything was done so you would come. So